Maliwanag naman po ang ating pagkakasabi. Nung tayo po yung nagsalita, that's September 13, that's Saturday. At nung tayo tinanong kung paano siya magiging investigador, sinabi po natin sa ating sagot at inyo po makikita yan at mababasa siguro kung kayo may transcript. Sinabi po natin na siya po ay magiging, pwede po siya mag-imbestiga through his own effort. Pero po, natatandaan po natin, nagsalita din po ang Pangulo September 15, Monday. At noong hindi po nag-resign si Mayor Magalong bilang mayor, sinabi po ng Pangulo na ang kanyang magiging papel ay special advisor. Wala pong dinagdag ang Pangulo na pagiging investigador niya dahil nga po hindi po siya, or rather, he refused to resign as mayor of Baguio. So with that, nakita po ng Pangulo ang maaaring maging conflict at kaya po special advisor po ang kanyang ibinigay na magiging role ni Mayor Magalong. So wala po tayong nakikitang inconsistencies sa nasabing aking nasabi noong September 13 dahil Pangulo po ang mismo nagpasya nung sinabi niya po ito noong September 15. Mayor Benji Magalong, a special advisor and who will act as investigator for the ICI. Mayor Magalong is a career law enforcement officer who served as Deputy Director General of the Philippine National Police and as former Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG. He handled sensitive, high-impact investigations and helped lead institutional reforms in law enforcement through intelligence-driven forensic-based approaches. As mayor of Baguio City, he has continued to apply his strict standards of transparency and accountability in local governments. His experience in leading difficult investigations, uncovering internal wrongdoing, and enforcing compliance makes him a strong asset to this commission.
There have been questions as to why Benji Magalong Mayor Benji has been included. And the answer is very simple. When I went to Baguio, tinignan ko yung mga malabo na flood control project, ay sinalubong niya kaagad ako ng isang report. Investigador naman talaga si Mayor Benji. Kung maalala ninyo, he was the one who wrote, as CIDG head, he was the one who wrote the seminal report on the Mama Sapano incident. And that was immediately that gave me, that's when I came to know of him and saw that he has integrity. And then again, when I went to Baguio, meron na siyang, being a good investigator, he had a very, very detailed, very good report already. So he's been working on this for a while. So marami siyang mako-contribute. So if you look, they are all out of government. They are all personalities who are out of government, except for Mayor Benji Magalong. And the reason he became a special advisor is because he would have had to give up his mayorship to take on this position. So he chose to keep his mayorship. I don't blame him, but nonetheless, we can use his talents. But that is the specific. That is for us the differences that we can point to show that it is in fact independent. Sir,